Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on your PC with awesome mods. To begin, you will need to download the RPCS3 emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, extract the compressed file into a folder on your computer. Next, open RPCS3 and install the PlayStation 3 firmware, which you can also find on Sony's official support page. This essential step prepares your emulator for the game, setting the foundation for hours of skateboarding fun. Now let's get Skate 3 running. You will need to acquire the game file, typically in an ISO or folder format, and add it to your RPCS3 emulator. Right-click the game and create a custom configuration. For CPU, if you have fewer than 12 threads, try setting preferred SBU threads to 1, 2, or 3 to fix slow motion. For GPU, select Vulkan as the renderer and disable anti-aliasing for improved frame rates. Also, enable right color buffers to prevent visual glitches. Ready to enhance your Skate 3 experience? Modding opens up a world of possibilities. You can find a variety of mods, including mod menus and custom game saves, on community Discord servers. To install a game save, such as the popular Big Black character, simply drag the downloaded files into your RPCS3 save data folder. For custom skate parks, copy the park files into the Skate Park Skater folder within your RPCS3 directory. It's a straightforward process to unlock new content. Sometimes, you might encounter a few bumps in the road. If you experience slow motion or choppy audio, experiment with the preferred SBU threads setting in your CPU configuration. For issues like objects falling through the ground, try changing the SBU decoder to SMJIT. Always ensure right color buffers is enabled in your GPU settings to prevent visual glitches. If you need further assistance, the vibrant Skate 3 modding communities are excellent resources for troubleshooting and discovering new content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.